Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Meru, Minista wa ugitiri Kindiki augite thirikari ni ihotorete gukinyia muthia morutani o mothe makirira kiogomu kiria kingicungiriria ikuũ cia andu kihiri ta ngero iria yahanikire mutito-ini wa Shakahola.
Tutasukumana na wakora wote ambao wamejificha katika madhabahu, yawe ni makanisa, yawe ni hekalu za dini zingine, misikiti. Tutawafurusha wote ambao wanaendeleza dini potovu.
Kindiki ni orotete ngwataniro imwe cia atongoria a ndini iria ikoretwo ikihingana gukirira matua ma thirikari ma kwendekithia gũthũrimagwo kwa atongoria a ndini.
Wale viongozi wa makanisa ama dini ambao wanafikiria tutakubalia eti kwa sababu kuna haki ya kuabudu kuwe na tukio lingine kama lile la Shakahola, hao wajue atutalegeza kamba.
Ikereka-ini ria kana ria guthikuria miri mutito-ini uyu, miri ya andu 12 ni thikuritio.
That brings the total number since we started to 350. The rescues, because the numbers have gone down, remain the same at 95, and the arrests at the moment we are at 37.
And good morning, my name is Senator.
Maya mahanikite riri mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya migunda Nixon Korir akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya Senate iria irathuthuria ngero ya Shakahola. Korir erite kamiti ino iria itongoragio ni Danson Mugatana gutire riboti iri na wira wa kuonania muhunjia Paul Mackenzie niwe mwene mugunda wa eka 800 kaunti-ini ya Kilifi.
From the documents that we have provided, Chair, the registered owner of Shakahola is Chakama Ranching.
Korir atetirithitie ati kuria ngero cia njuragano cia Shakahola ciahanikire ni gicunji kia mugunda wa eka 50,000 uria uri rungu rwa kambuni ya Chakama Ranch.
Because Honorable Senator said they didn't see anyone there. Where Shakahola is not part of the land that was purchased by the government for settlement. That is land that remained still with the Chakama Ranching.
Minista Kindiki na muthuthuria wa miri Dagitari Johansen Oduol ni merigireirwo gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.
Ownership of property by itself is